Hi guys, sorry for no video yesterday as I couldn't record at the time as my parents were on a phone call, but today we are back into more Beat Swamp Simulator videos. So let's get into it. Right, first we are going to talk about why is Onett not developing and updating this game. Right, first off is probably when the countdown hits 30 here, meaning there's a month left of Beesmas, it's going to release the BBM quest, which is the Bubble Me Man's quest, or maybe sooner, as most of the pros have actually completed all the Beesmas quests, including the Gummy Bees Gummy Beacon for the 2 years. That is a monster of a quest, but unfortunately and thankfully I can't collect it, as I am stuck on these quests with bee bears, with the snowflakes. I would advise, if you completed Booker Bee's snow machine, which I've not done yet, but I am pretty close to completing, you can also, as soon as a snowstorm begins, like here, what you can do is basically collect all the snowflakes you can to complete the quests and just stack up on them, like I have here, to get the star treat. It's down here, which I'm saving up for. But you might be saving up for something different, like an atomic treat to get your bees mutated, which would be quite nice, or other things. So let's get into gifting all. No, I meant leveling up all my bees if I can. All my honey's gonna be gone in a minute. No. The max 1 billion. Yep. Oh god. Alright, spend all my honey. I can't even afford a treat now, huh? So, also, I forgot to stick in the Polar Bear's Feast, which might give me some extra treats. There we go. Easy. Actually got me 32 treats. So, what we can do now is, with our 243,000, if we round that, 244,000 treats, can maybe gift some of our bees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the tabby bee. Level up 14,000, expensive. Ooh, I can actually level up one for level 11, but I'm not going to do that yet. I think it's better to get level 10 high, like this guy, and then start to get my bees to level 11. Start leveling up. There we go, 12,000. Most of my bees are pretty close because I do constantly keep leveling them up. I've not done it for a while. My tweets are going quite fast. Oop, shocked me. Never mind, Tadpole Bee. No, not Ninja Bee. Tadpole Bee, there we go. Bumblebee. A lot of bees to level up here, guys. So, 17,000. Quite a few up to the level. Some more. I think we'll only get like half the hive up. Yes, I know. Yeah. Oh, and then all. So that's it for my hives leveling up and why Onett is not updating Bee-Swarm. Right, thanks. I'll see you in the next video or any video I publish. Goodbye.